Okay. How does photosynthesis in plants benefit animals?
Like it makes them more full.
Mm-hmm. Well, it has a good flavor. It doesn't try and run away. There's no point. It's just a neighbor. So, cause and effect. What is one cause of the oxygen being found in the amphitheater?
The plant
Atmosphere, geez.
The plant releasing oxygen.
Mm-hmm.
Is the cause of the atmosphere having rich oxygen.
Think about that for a second. Why is oxygen in the atmosphere?
Because plants make oxygen and taking carbon dioxide.
Right here. Vessel tissue, the tubes that transport fluids.
Oh, why?
Can you see it?
Yeah, it's yellow.
Yeah.
How come it's yellow?
To differentiate it so you can see it easier in the picture.
Oh. What kind? Like we use blood vessels to get, like we use red blood cells to get the oxygen to different parts of our body. But what do plants use? Green blood cells?
Glucose. No, they use glucose as food, but the green color in leaves actually comes from chlorophyll, okay? Chlorophyll is a chemical that can take carbon dioxide and hydrogen, okay, H2O, and produce glucose. What is the byproduct of that? Is oxygen and a little bit of fluid. So plants take in carbon dioxide and their waste is oxygen. That's why we have such an oxygen-rich atmosphere, is because plants created it. So the job of the vessel tissue is to move fluids around inside the plant. Oftentimes from leaves, it's taking sugar-rich fluids to other cells in the tree, other cells in the plant.
Yeah, but like it uses glucose to eat. So the glucose will just slime along the blood tissue.
What do you mean lie along?
Like how did the plant use to, what do the plants use to get the glucose to the rest of its body?
The tubules, the vessel tissues.
Yeah, but we use red blood cells inside our blood vessels. Like, do they have something like green blood cells? Green glucose cells? Or something like that?
Mm. No, with this, I'm not sure where you're going. How does it get the fluid around?
Yeah.
Well, there's a permeable skin around that allows transfer of products from the cell into those tubes.
Oh.
Much like when we breathe, that oxygen goes down into alveoli, which are tiny, tiny little oxygen sacs, and then it diffuses that oxygen into your bloodstream.
Oh.
Is that a bit complex?
Yeah.
Okay. How can I explain this? Yeah, what it is, let me think. I don't know how easier to explain it than when we breathe in, the oxygen that we breathe in is through our alveoli introduced into the blood. and then the blood carries the oxygen around the body to maybe feed your muscles or keep your brain going, all of that. But all of that oxygen comes from our breathing.
Oh,
Make sense?
make more sense.
Okay.